This is my 2012 Chevy Cruze, and this happened starting on July 1st. Excessive idling, a lot of vibration there in the motor, and I believe it has something to do with the PCV valve. I'm not sure if that's the right terminology, but I believe there's a diaphragm in there that's covered up, and I believe this whole part right here has to be replaced. Even though there's probably on a diaphragm, it needs to really be replaced. But that's what's going on right now. But I'm just wondering if there are other issues you might be able to tell from this video.